Good Sarah.
What
Go
is
ahead.
it? I know this
Go
is
Sarah.
You say you know what it is.
What's this? What's this?
Hurry up.
It's a Kodak moment.
Look at this, Mom.
Let me see.
Don't put no tags off of nuts, Sierra.
All right, Jarrell, what you got?
What you got, Darrell?
Some that clothes.
Let me see. Hold them up. Look.
Red knife.
That ain't funny, Jazz.
What's wrong? You didn't order me?
He thought it was a toy.
What's wrong, Dre? You didn't want it?
Hey, baby, thank you for your gifts. You have cold.
What you got, Sierra?
Some heels.
Show me. Show me, Sarah.
No.
They both got that Kodak.
Oh, yeah. Show us your gifts.
There you go. You got it.
You in a rush.
There you go.
Y'all in a rush to open up your gifts.
Bloody. Just bloody.
That's okay.